What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping back into the golden age of American muscle to review a true legend, the 1964 Pontiac GTO, finished in a stunning orange color that perfectly captures the bold spirit of the 60s. This is the car many enthusiasts credit as the one that started the muscle car revolution. Back in 1964, Pontiac didn't just launch a new model, they launched a movement. Power, style, attitude, and raw road presence all came together in one unforgettable package. Whether you're a classic car collector, a muscle car fanatic, or someone who simply appreciates automotive history, this review is for you. We'll break down everything from the exterior styling and interior comfort to the performance numbers and current market prices. So buckle up, hit that like button, subscribe for more legendary car content, and let's dive deep into the iconic 1964 Pontiac GTO. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the 1964 GTO makes its first unforgettable impression. The orange paint on this car absolutely pops under sunlight, giving it that aggressive yet classy muscle-era glow. The body lines are clean, sharp, and purposeful, showing off Pontiac's design philosophy of blending performance with elegance. The long hood immediately tells you there's something powerful hiding underneath, while the shorter rear deck keeps the proportions balanced and sporty. Up front, you're greeted by the signature split grille design, a Pontiac trademark of the era. It gives the GTO a bold face, almost like it's staring down the competition. The round headlights sit perfectly within the grille layout, adding to that unmistakable 60s muscle car identity. The chrome accents across the front bumper and trim reflect light beautifully, enhancing the premium feel of the car. Moving to the side profile, the sculpted fenders and subtle character lines flow smoothly from front to back. The GTO badge on the fender is small but powerful. It's not just a logo, it's a symbol of muscle car heritage. The classic steel wheels or optional rally wheels, paired with thick white wall or performance tires depending on the configuration, complete the retro performance look. At the rear, the taillights are simple yet iconic, and the wide stance gives the car a planted, confident appearance. Dual exhaust tips peek out from underneath, hinting at the thunderous sound waiting to be unleashed. Overall, the exterior of the 1964 Pontiac GTO isn't overly complicated or flashy, it's bold, muscular, and timeless. The orange color just amplifies that personality, making this car impossible to ignore on the road or at any car show. Interior. Now let's step inside the cabin, where classic style meets functional performance. The interior of the 1964 Pontiac GTO is a perfect representation of 1960s American automotive design. You're welcomed by a wide dashboard layout with simple, easy-to-read gauges that keep the driver focused on what matters most: speed, engine performance, and fuel levels. The seats are designed with comfort and support in mind. Depending on the trim level, you could get bench seats or bucket seats, with vinyl or optional upgraded materials. In this orange GTO, the interior color combination contrasts beautifully with the exterior, creating a visually striking and authentic classic look. The bucket seats offer decent side support for spirited driving, especially impressive for a car from this era. The steering wheel is thin by modern standards but large in diameter, giving that classic driving feel. The center console, if equipped, houses the iconic floor-mounted shifter, which adds to the sporty atmosphere. Every shift feels mechanical, raw, and engaging, something modern cars often lack. The door panels, dashboard trim, and chrome accents throughout the cabin add a touch of elegance to the otherwise performance-focused interior. While you won't find modern infotainment screens, digital displays, or driver assistance systems here, what you do get is a pure, analog driving experience. The sound of the engine, the vibration through the chassis, and the feel of the road all connect you directly to the machine. Rear seat space is reasonable for a two-door coupe from the 60s. It's not designed for luxury road trips with 4 adults, but it's perfectly usable for short drives or extra passengers. The trunk offers decent storage capacity, making the GTO surprisingly practical for weekend trips or car show travel. Performance. Now let's get to the heart of the beast, performance. The 1964 Pontiac GTO was revolutionary because it offered big block power in a mid-size platform, creating a new category that would soon be known as the muscle car segment. Under the hood, the standard engine was a 389 cubic inch V8, producing around 325 horsepower in its base configuration. But if you opted for the tri-power setup with 3 two-barrel carburetors, power jumped to approximately 348 horsepower. For the 1960s, these numbers were absolutely insane for a street car. The torque delivery is strong and immediate, giving the GTO that legendary off-the-line acceleration. Press the throttle and you're rewarded with a deep, aggressive exhaust note that sends chills down your spine. The engine doesn't just move the car, it announces its presence everywhere it goes. Transmission options included a manual gearbox for driving purists and an automatic transmission for those who wanted a more relaxed cruising experience. With the manual setup, shifting through gears feels mechanical and engaging, making every drive an event. In terms of acceleration, the 1964 GTO could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 seconds, depending on configuration and driver skill. That was incredibly fast for its time and still respectable by today's standards for a classic car. The suspension setup is tuned more for straight-line performance than sharp cornering, but it still offers a surprisingly balanced ride. On highways, the GTO cruises smoothly, while on city roads it delivers that classic muscle car rumble and presence. The braking system, although basic compared to modern standards, performs well when properly maintained. Driving this car isn't just about speed. It's about emotion. The sound, the vibration, the smell of fuel and oil, and the feeling of raw mechanical power create an experience modern cars simply can't replicate. Prices. Now let's talk about the market value and pricing of the 1964 Pontiac GTO. Prices can vary significantly depending on condition, originality, engine configuration, and restoration quality. A project car or rough example may start at a lower price point, but fully restored or well-preserved models can command serious money. On average, a decent condition 1964 Pontiac GTO can range from $40,000 to $70,000, while fully restored, numbers matching, high-performance variants with tri-power setups can easily exceed $90,000 to $120,000 or more. Special editions, rare color combinations, and factory performance upgrades can push values even higher. The orange color adds extra visual appeal and uniqueness, especially if it's a factory-correct or professionally restored paint job. Collectors often look for originality, matching engine and chassis numbers, and authentic interior components when determining value. Maintenance costs are also something to consider. While parts availability is relatively good due to the car's popularity, classic car ownership still requires regular care, proper storage, and occasional mechanical attention. However, for many enthusiasts, the ownership experience is worth every dollar. The 1964 Pontiac GTO is not just a car, it's an investment, a piece of American automotive history, and a symbol of performance culture. Over the years, values have steadily increased, making it one of the most desirable classic muscle cars on the market. So there you have it, the legendary 1964 Pontiac GTO in orange, a true icon that changed the automotive world forever. From its bold exterior design and classic interior to its powerful V8 performance and strong collector value, this car represents everything great about the muscle car era. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just driving a vehicle, you're driving history. And if you're dreaming of adding one to your garage someday, now you know exactly why it's worth the hype. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic car breakdown. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you choose the 1964 GTO in orange, or is there another muscle car legend that tops your list? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.